It's about 9:30 p.m. I'm gonna go downstairs to the 10th floor, I believe it is. And give you guys a tour of the area. That's where the pool is located and the restaurants and the gym. I'm going down to AS, and I believe that AS is that floor. This tells me that there are at least 51 floors of the Sands Apartments and Mall complex. Maybe it's quicker to take the stairs. Because sometimes the elevator, there are 3 elevators, they're fast, but they can get quite busy. This looks like the gym area. Looks like a little restaurant area here. I might check it out later. Looks like a work area here.
And I just fucking think about, imagine if I would have bought stock at fucking Facebook when it first came out. But I didn't fucking know. Yeah, man, I didn't fucking know. I wouldn't
Lights are out, but this is a game room. Lots of seating out here. Beautiful, beautiful night. Look up, there's the moon. And out here in the distance, you see the Panama City skyscape. Look straight up. See that red and blue? That's a zip line that goes across over there. That is something I will definitely not be trying. And And this over here is the infinity pool. It's a nice sized pool. I think that I'm going to go in here, take a table, and get myself something to eat. There's also an area over here, a restaurant as well. I think for dinner, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm having the Long Island iced tea, $10. And I'm going to try the La Panamina pizza. This restaurant is called the Toscana. It's on the 8th floor of the Sands Apartments and Mall. Very nice down here. Here's my Long Island iced tea. That's good. And they were not skimping on the ingredients, if you know what I mean. Okay, here's my pizza. It looks good. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna order another one of these. As you can see, I've already taken a big chunk out of that. That was a very nice dinner, pizza and 2 Long Island iced teas. I'm okay, I'm just fine. I think I'm gonna sit down here for a while on one of these seats and relax.
Hi.
Hello. And I have these beautiful ladies here,
Thank you.
relaxing.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your evening.
Have a good day.
Thank you. And this is, out here is Casco Viejo. And over here we have the city, Panama City over here. So if you're a single person, you are in for a treat. Now, please understand that I'm not one of those passport bros. I'm not down here to bar hop and chase women. If I meet someone, that's fine. I'm very picky, I'm very selective. I'm just not into that fast pace anymore. Those days are behind me. And the moon has graced us with her presence, Diana, in Roman mythology, and Aphrodite in Greek.